The complex dynamics between former President Donald Trump and entrepreneur Elon Musk have deteriorated, causing ripples across various sectors. Initial friendliness has devolved into a public feud, potentially impacting Musk's business interests, such as Tesla, and stirring tensions within the Republican Party. Analysts warn this ongoing spat may exacerbate GOP divisions, especially with midterm elections looming. In a notable legal development, Kilmar Abrego Garcia returns to the United States from El Salvador to face human smuggling charges following his wrongful deportation. His case raises pivotal questions about the justice system under Trump's administration and highlights ongoing debates surrounding immigration policies. In Los Angeles, David Huerta, president of SEIU California, has been detained during a series of ICE raids conducted across the city. These operations, which have sparked protests and criticism from local politicians, underscore the tension between federal immigration enforcement and local advocacy groups under the Trump administration's policies. The Supreme Court has granted the Department of Government Entities, DOGE, access to Social Security data for millions of Americans, a decision applauded by the current administration but raising privacy concerns. Justice Jackson warns of the potential risks this access could entail, highlighting the ongoing debate around government surveillance and data privacy. Elon Musk's threat to decommission the Dragon spacecraft puts NASA's operations in a precarious position. The feud between Musk and Trump contributes to uncertainties in space exploration strategies and fuels discussions about the implications of centralized power in private space enterprise. In Arkansas, former police chief Grant Hardin, who escaped from prison, has been recaptured after a considerable manhunt. Known as the Devil in the Ozarks, his escape and subsequent capture have captured public attention, putting a spotlight on issues around incarceration and law enforcement integrity. President Trump announced an agreement with Chinese President Xi Jinping to restart the flow of crucial minerals, although analysts say China may retain its leverage with rare earth resources. This development comes ahead of scheduled trade talks in London, promising a new phase in U.S.-China relations as both nations navigate ongoing trade challenges. In another legal stride, a judge has put a temporary hold on Trump's ban affecting foreign students at Harvard University. The injunction responds to fears within the academic community about the broader implications of the administration's stance on international education and national security concerns. In Washington state, Governor Jay Inslee activated the National Guard to aid in the search for Travis Decker, accused of killing his 3 daughters. This tragic case points to broader societal issues, including inadequate veteran support systems, which are highlighted by the public's response and donation efforts for the victim's family. In Minneapolis, Derek Thompson has been found guilty of murder related to a high-speed car crash that resulted in the deaths of 5 young Somali women. His conviction on all counts closes a painful chapter for the victims' families and underscores ongoing concerns about public safety and the criminal justice system.